Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connected Devices and choose Bluetooth at the top. Then click on this white sweater in order to enable it. Following that, click on one of those available devices that you wish to connect to, in my case this one. In order to continue, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device and choose Unpair. Then, to connect to the same one, click on it and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!